Hello, today we'll be looking at some of the Microsoft Office features that you're entitled to as an Aurora College student. To begin, start at our website, which is www.auroracollege.nt.ca, and go to the Current Students drop-down menu. Besides Student Login, you'll see Office 365 Login. Just click that. From here, hit the Sign In button. Enter in your Aurora College student email and hit Next, and you'll be prompted for your student password. Once you've entered that, just hit Sign In. Once you've signed on, you'll see the Aurora College Office 365 page. The first thing that you might notice is a selection of apps. Your Student Office 365 account gives you access to multiple Microsoft Office apps, and you can access these anywhere and on multiple devices. This is one method that you can use to share and collaborate with your fellow students. There's too many apps to point out today, but I will highlight this one here, which is OneDrive. OneDrive is online storage, so you can use this to back your work up in the cloud. Make sure that you never lose any important assignments by backing up your work in multiple places. As a student, not only do you have access to all of these online Microsoft apps, but you can also install the full Microsoft Office suite on your personal computer. Just click on the Install Office button in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Make sure you only install Office on the device that you'll be using throughout the school year, and only install it on a device that doesn't already have it. You only get one installation. Once you're sure that you're ready to install Office, just click that button and follow the prompts. Once you've done that, you'll have access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything that you might need for your work as a student. Please be sure that during your time as an Aurora College student, you're taking full advantage of all the technology that's available to help you be successful.